Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back with another video. I got my cameraman back, my daughter. But look, so art is a conceptuality, right? You gotta visualize things in your head. You have to paint a picture. Even you as the artist, you gotta believe in yourself before anybody believes in you. I do these pack in my order videos so that y'all can see my vibe. Y'all can see what y'all getting. So I'm gonna make my site available. I'm gonna put it in a link, and I'm gonna tell y'all to pull the trigger. And I'm gonna add these hoodies that I'm printing on the site, just so that everybody can have access to the toxic love, because everybody has had a love that was toxic, and you couldn't get away from them, and you need them. That's why people resonate with this whole concept that I'm doing right here. And my brand is based on life, so it's good, bad, or indifferent, you feel me? Like all the things that you go through in life, like pain, sorrow, depression, happiness, all that. Sometimes you want to say fuck you to people too. My brand is about that too. I got a design running on my computer right now that's basically saying exactly the sentiments I just said. Alright, with that being said, yo, we about to print some more toxic love hoodies. So boom, look at this Canario specimen right here. Very fire. So we're gonna hit it with the pre-press, baby. As usual, we're printing on a 16 by 20 Starcraft industrial heat press. Discontinued, but this was the best money that I ever spent on a heat press. This is well spent. I could have got auto open, all kinds of other shit, but y'all know from what I talk about in my videos. I don't follow none of them YouTubers. I take what they say as advisements. It's not a framework though, man. You gotta live your life. You don't try stuff, you can't know. You're not gonna know about your failures or your successes if you don't try nothing. So for me, it's a whole vibe that I'm giving y'all. I'm giving y'all a vibe, and the vibe is me. Every time y'all see me, even to my hair, everything is a vibe, bro. It's a vibe. So if you don't bring that vibe through the brand, how are people gonna resonate with it? Alright, so y'all already know. This is a TKO transfer right here. How we rock. I told y'all, with the kangaroo pocket is a guideline. You still have to measure it up, square it up, and get it right. Now we could screen print this, y'all already know. The base layer, burning unit is right there. Mass screens is over there. But y'all know, but I'm gonna tell y'all every time. You gotta dehaze the screen, which means you gotta degrease it and wash it, and you gotta dry it. The next process of that is something like this. This is a two-step emulsion. It's photopolymer emulsion, and it will work for most things that you're trying to do. But you gotta let that dry. Then what you're gonna do is a printer down there right there. You have to burn film. The film comes in a big ass box like this. It says waterproof ink screen printing, 50 screens, 13 times by 19. This is the maximum size I can print. Like I tell y'all, most people print 8.5 by 11. Most transfers are the size of a sheet of paper. So this one is like an oversized. And I also got the 11 by 17 down here somewhere. I'm gonna pull them out, but I have them. But my point is, you gotta go through a lot more work than what you do with a transfer. So let's just say you had 50 of these to order, and in different colors, boom. Like you got all your order slips printed out. You just get your production ready, and you start working. Y'all know the transfer time on this bad boy right here is between 300 and 325, between 5 and 7 seconds. Me, I don't do that. I always press my shit like 40 seconds. So when this joint beeps, I'm gonna press it down, press it again, and then I'm gonna do a third press, which is the finishing press. And this is my particular style. You don't have to do that. Oh yo, so look, another thing. If you finish it with a piece of this is craft paper. If you finish it with craft paper, it's gonna come out matte. If you do it with this Teflon sheet, it's gonna come out shiny. I prefer mine like that. And matte smooth. Alright, so what we're about to do is peel. Look at that. That shit is crazy fire. Perfection. Alright, so last step, y'all. That matte finish versus that shiny glossy. I ain't gonna do the neck labels in this video. I'm gonna do them at another time. But this is to show y'all the vibes, man, what we be doing over here, man. We really be getting busy. The shit be dope and it's mad simple. It's not nothing that you really gotta do. Y'all could do it too. And for people that don't think that you need to build your brand at home, I like doing this. This is passion for me. I could still screen print it and we would get to that point. But I'm enjoying our ride. This is one down, so now we about to mess with this pink one right here. Alright, so we're gonna do what we do, which is let roll, pre-press, then press. 1, 2. I always do it 3 times. Now I'm about to press this, pre-press this, and then this video gonna be over. But what I want y'all to know is that it's a vibe, man. Pitch Black Revolution vibe that I was on. You see that? Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys something else. I always talk about logo. So for me, logo is everything. Come closer. See that logo? That's the Pitch Black Revolution logo. But y'all ain't know that. So these designs, some of these designs, these old designs, are integrated into the new way that I'm doing things. Nobody knows but me. I got so much heat for y'all sitting around. And these are super color transfers. Super color is dope. Don't let nobody tell y'all super color ain't dope, because it's digital. They're not the same as screen printing. Y'all already know the way y'all make digital transfers. The way they make digital transfers is they use a big giant inkjet printer with water-based ink. And what they do is they screen print a white underbase. It's kind of like DTF. They lay that on top, and then they run it through a dryer. This is my basement. I'm not printing in a craft room. I'm printing in a basement that's like not finished. Nothing. I made a makeshift studio just for me. So I'm gonna let this heat up. I gotta heat up a bit. Alright, what up? We at the last part. Y'all already know. I told y'all in previous videos, I had HTV. I cut it out, and boom, this is what I got. So we did a little pre-press. So now all I'm going to do right now is just put firm pressure on this. Firm pressure. And hit the timer. Just like I told y'all, this is an older heat press, so it don't beep unless you do it. But it still works. And a dope dude that I admire is A-Dub. A-Dub said, when you get equipment, don't retire your old equipment. Don't give it away, because it still has a purpose. And this can still press hats. It could still it's a functioning heat press. So why get rid of it? So I'm about to do the same thing I tell y'all every time. You gotta do that finishing press to lock it in. But like I said, I'm gonna put all of these on the website. I'm gonna put the website in the description. I'm not gonna have it on body, but I will come up with a dope idea so that y'all could choose what y'all like. All right, boom, it's locked in there. It's looking good. We did it again. You gotta create with passion, man. Y'all see that? Dope. It's just a hoodie. It's just a black one color print, man. So it's your canvas that makes things what they are. This color is so ill. This hoodie is very calming. But creativity is something that comes from within. Look at this one as well. Creativity comes from within. You can't buy that, my dude. Alright, so boom. We about to package these up. Y'all not gonna see that in this part because we're gonna do some photography for these particular sweaters. And that's it, man. It's another one.